Hi students, today I am going to start a new series for ICSE students. This is for 10th standard and first chapter for commercial math. GST. GST means what? This is goods and service tax. Goods and service tax, whenever we are purchasing or selling something, we have to pay to government. And in the form of, ये किस फॉर्म में पे किया जाता है? आइदर CGST, SGST और IGST, 3 फॉर्म होते हैं इसके. CGST एंड SGST जब कोई भी गुड्स जो है वो इंट्रा स्टेट सप्लाई, इंट्रा स्टेट मीन्स सेम स्टेट में जब सप्लाई हो रहा होता है तो वो कहलाता है CGST एंड SGST. ठीक है. और IGST व्हेन वी आर पेइंग फॉर supplying the state from one state to another, this is known as interstate. okay, तो यहाँ हम लोग क्या कैलकुलेट करते हैं? IGST. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 से. कंसाइज बुक से लिया है मैंने क्वेश्चन. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में क्या है कि गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज आर सोल्ड फ्रॉम कोलकाता टू राजस्थान to Mumbai for ₹20,000 and then from Mumbai to Pune. तो यहाँ मुंबई टू पुणे है. इफ़ द रेट ऑफ GST इज़ 12% and the profit made at Mumbai is 5,000, find the net GST paid. ठीक है. तो नेट GST यहाँ पर जो है, पहले ये था कहाँ पर? गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज सोल्ड फ्रॉम राजस्थान टू मुंबई. तो राजस्थान से मुंबई यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? हमारा स्टेट चेंज हुआ. तो यहाँ जो पे करेगा वो क्या करेगा? पे IGST. ओके, सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ वो है कंसाइज बुक का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या पूछता है कि गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज आर सोल्ड फ्रॉम कोटा टू मुंबई. तो कोटा टू मुंबई में क्या हो रहा है? ये interstate, but Mumbai to Pune again intrastate. So just you have to see कि पूछ क्या रहा है, what they are asking. So they are asking if the rate of GST is 12% and the profit made at Mumbai is 5,000, then find the net GST paid at Pune. तो जब net GST paid at Pune पूछ रहा है तो क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे? यहाँ पर तो हमारा जो GST है वो IGST नहीं पे कर रहे हैं. क्या पे कर रहे हैं? CGST एंड SGST. तो हम फर्स्ट स्टेप में यहाँ क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? डायरेक्टली पुट करेंगे. ओके, कि SP एट पुणे. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, SP एट पुणे इज इक्वल टू, प्राइस कितना था? 20,000. सो 20,000 प्लस 5,000 प्रॉफिट लिया. ओके, तो टोटल कितना प्राइस हो गया? 25,000. ओके, तो CGST कितना हो जाएगा? CGST इज इक्वल टू, अब 12% है तो उसको कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? इक्वली. तो 6% ऑफ 25,000. ओके, 6% ऑफ 25,000. 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 इंटू 25,000. ओके, ये हो जाएगा हमारा 1,500. ओके, नाउ SGST. SGST इज इक्वल टू 6%. यस, इक्वली डिवाइड करेंगे ऑफ 25,000. ये भी कितना हो जाएगा? 1,500. सो देयरफॉर नेट पेएबल GST, नेट पेएबल GST is equal to 1,500 plus 1,500 is equal to 3,000. Okay, answer. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5, what they are asking? Question number 5 में क्या पूछ रहा है? This is a dealer A in Meerut, he supply goods and services worth ₹15,000 to a dealer B in Ratlam. Interstate in turn supply the same goods services to dealer C in Jabalpur at a profit of ₹3,000. If the rate tax is 18%. Here GST is given 18%. Okay. The cost of goods services to the dealer C. So directly he is asking about dealer C in Jabalpur. So dealer C will pay what? CGST or IGST? Because Jabalpur is MP. So it will also intrastate. Okay. So how you will calculate? CP. CP for this is how much? 15,000, and then he is 15,000, and then B is taking profit for how much? 3,000. Okay. Profit is equal to 3,000. So therefore SP is equal to SP of C. Okay. C is paying 18,000. Right? C is paying 18,000. So now, how much he will pay CGST? You can calculate it easily because here it is given. GST is given how much? GST is given, I think 18%, right? GST is 18%. Okay. So how will calculate? CGST is equal to 18,000 into 9 by 100 because we will divide it in equally two parts. Okay. So it will give you rupees 1620. Okay. So now again for SGST is equal to 18,000 into 9 by 100. Okay. This will be also 1620. Okay. So what will be the net payable? It is 16%. What they are asking? The cost of goods to the dealer C. So this is the GST. So when you will add this GST, it will give you how much? 1620 plus 1620. The net GST is equal to 3240. So therefore C paid how much amount? 18,000 plus 3240, right, is equal to 21,240, 21,240, right? Now they are asking net tax payable by dealer. How much net tax he paid? Dealer paid. This is paid by C. Okay. So here we will calculate output tax and input tax. So this is output tax. This 320 is output tax. So how we will calculate output tax and input tax? Look here. यहाँ क्या होगा? Output tax is equal to 3240. Now calculate input tax. Input tax is equal to 18,000 because they are not 50. Dealer A was taking 15,000 only. So this will be 15,000 into 18%. Okay. 18 by 100. So it will give you 2,700. Right. So therefore net tax payable by dealer, net tax payable by dealer B is equal to 3240 minus 2,700. Okay. So it will give you is equal to rupees 540. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, now come to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 में क्या कहता है? A dealer X in UP supplies goods and services worth 50,000 to some dealer Y in the same city. Same city, that means CGST, SGST. Now, Y supplies the same goods to the dealer in Calcutta at a profit of 20,000. Here you have to find out two taxes. First is output. Okay, so just write down question number 6 part 1. Okay, output and input tax for dealer Y. Okay, so SP of dealer X, write down SP of dealer X is equal to रुपीज़ 50,000. ठीक है, एंड CP ऑफ Y, तो CP ऑफ Y कितना हो गया? सेम, इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 50,000. ओके, नाउ प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 20,000 है. So therefore SP of Y is equal to, you will add this 50,000 plus 20,000, so that will give you 70,000. Okay, now IGST. Okay, here CGST. So CGST is equal to 70,000 into 14 by 100. Why 14 by 100? Because total GST is equal to given 28%. Divide it into two equal part. Okay, so now it will give you 9,800, right? 9,800. Same, SGST will be also 9,000. So SGST is equal to 14% of 70,000. Okay, it will also give you is equal to 9,800. सही है? Okay, so now total will be 19,600. Okay, output tax is equal to CGST plus SGST. Okay, so therefore it will give you how much? 19,600. Okay, now net GST payable. What they are asking? Net GST payable. So just write down net GST payable is equal to because CP will pay how much? Directly without profit, 50,000 into 20%. Okay, so input tax is equal to 50,000 into 28 by 100, right? So it will give you how much? 14,000. Okay, therefore net payable is equal to कितना हो जाएगा net payable? Is equal to output tax minus input tax. Okay, so 19,600 minus 14,000, okay, is equal to rupees 5,600. This will be the final answer. Okay, so you have to answer here. This is the payable and this is, okay. Now come to question number 11. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में for the trader mark price of the refrigerator is given exclusive GST. Okay, Gagan, a customer for the refrigerator, asked the trader to reduce the price of the refrigerator to such an extent that is reduced price plus GST is equal to the mark price of the refrigerator. Find the required reduction. यहाँ question number 11. Okay, so here we can take MP is given 15,680. MP is equal to 15,680. Okay, GST is given, GST is equal to 12%. Okay, GST is given 12%. So what we can take, let the reduced price is equal to X, है ना. कितना कम करेंगे कि उसका टोटल हो जाएगा हमारा 15,680. तो लेट द रिड्यूस्ड प्राइस मीन्स उसका क्या होगा, SP इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ X. अब अगर रुपीज़ X है तो उसको कितना पे करना पड़ेगा, GST 12%. ओके, सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट, देयरफॉर नेट पेएबल amount is equal to X and X plus 12 by 100, X into 12 by 100, and this amount is this one. Okay, so we can write here 15,680 is equal to 112 X by 100. Therefore X is equal to what? Therefore X is equal to 15,680 into 100 divided by 112, right? 112 से reduce करो, okay, it will give you 140. So the net price is 14,000, 14,000. Okay, तो कितना कम किया होगा, what is the required reduction, what they are asking for, required reduction. Okay, so therefore required reduction is equal to, what was the final amount, 15,680 minus 14,000. So it is equal to 1680, right? So this is your final answer. That means if the shopkeeper give the discount for rupees 1680, okay, so the customer pay this amount 15,680, right? Thank you for watching.